Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you guys a new series, something that is near and dear to my heart, and I just want to get my feet wet and see how it is. If you don't know, I went to school for radio and TV, so I'm kind of doing like a radio segment in a way. So I'm trying to come up with some names, you guys. I am struggling. Here are some of the names that I have: Sip and Chat with Donita Marie, Brunch Babe, Happy Hour with Nene, or Happy Hour with Donita Marie. I don't know, Donita's Radio, Donita Marie's Radio. I don't know. Help me out. Let me know what you guys think. But during this series, nothing is off limits. We're going to be talking about current events, relationships, celebrities, and health and fitness. So if you guys can help me come up with a name for this series, it's going to air on Thursdays. I'm still deciding a time. My current time is Mondays at 4:30 for wigs. So I'm thinking Thursdays at 4:30 for this series. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts below. Or if you want, you can just watch the rest of this video so you can get an idea of what is to come on this series. Also during this series, I'm going to be stepping out of my comfort zone. So I will be going live during some of these segments. You guys know, well, you don't really know, but I'm just like nervous with going live. I haven't done it yet. A lot of my fellow YouTubers have, but I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. So shout out to my girl Silky Sacks. She is really good at this whole live thing. So I'm going to test out the waters in a couple weeks and we'll see where it goes. But if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for joining me again. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see at the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back. So today we are going to be discussing the Robinhood app. Robinhood has been under a lot of scrutiny lately. If you do not know what Robinhood it is an app that is for stock trading. They offer commission-free stock, ETF, and option trades, a streamlined trading platform, and free cryptocurrency trading, Bitcoin. And now they offer fractional trades and reoccurring investments for long-term strategies. Some of the pros is that they have no account minimum. They are streamlined interface and they have cryptocurrency trading. Now, some of the cons that they have: no retirement accounts, no mutual funds or bonds, and limited customer support. And I think right now that is like their number one issue because people cannot get in touch with them. 20-year-old Alex Kearns committed suicide because of the Robinhood app. Last June, the Robinhood app mistakenly showed a negative balance of over $730,000. That was a mistake. Crazy, right? Then they sent him an email telling him to take immediate action on his account. So they told him he needs to make a payment of $176,000 on his debt. So because of their limited customer service options, the only thing you can do with the Robinhood app is email them. So he emailed them 3 times and he got automated messages basically saying we'll get back to you. So unfortunately later that day, Alex committed suicide thinking he was putting his parents in debt. Long story short, he would be here today if they had a phone that you can call or a live customer service representative that he could have just talked to. So yeah, they made a mistake on their end. The account was never negative and now his parents are suing Robinhood. Crazy, right? It's very unfortunate. So I'm going to follow up with the story to see how it plays out. But in the meantime, I do have a caller that wants to talk about their experience with Robinhood. So I have Malik on the line and he's going to talk about his experience with Robinhood. Malik, how are you today?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. So tell us what happened.
Last week on Monday, so supposedly, I just go and check my account, and then my money's not there. I had roughly like $5,000 there.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
The money just disappeared. And I was at like $200, and I had there was no reason. I was in no active trades. You know, I had sold all my trades like the week prior to that. Yeah, and the money was just gone. And then like later in the week, you know, I emailed them, and then they gave it back in bits and pieces. So they would give back like 500 one day, and then 1,000 the next day after that, and then another 500, and another 2,000. And then like it was just annoying because I literally missed out on like a lot of money. You know, I missed out over like $20,000 that week to stocks. A lot of the stocks that I picked were up the entire week, the week straight actually. So I missed out on a lot of money, and I was very, very upset about that.
Wow.
I switched to Webull. Yeah.
Wait, what app did you switch to?
Webull.
Okay.
They're like another free app.
Okay.
But you know, yeah.
So wait, what did they say to you? Like, what was their reasoning for, you know, taking your money in the first place?
I have no clue. I literally have no clue because they have these instant deposits you can do. So when you transfer money, they instantly like put it in your account. But it's still gonna take a few days to settle in your account. But they still give you that money, that credit to invest with. So yeah, I guess that's what that's what happened.
Oh wow.
Like I made a whole bunch of deposits, but like they cut out my instant deposits, so they took all the money back and then just deposited on the day it was supposed to be deposited. I'm just like, what? That's so dumb. Why would y'all do that?
Yeah. So that's crazy. So you emailed them and they didn't even respond. They just gave you your money back and piece by piece.
Well, they just said one thing. They just said maybe you should just update the app. I'm just like.
That has nothing.
So I need to update the app to get my money back. So that's what you're saying.
That has nothing to do with the price of tea in China.
Exactly. Like.
Wow, that's so crazy.
I have a little bit of money in Robinhood, but never put your entire portfolio in there. You know, there's a lot of glitches that go on. You see the thing, what happened with GameStop. You know?
Yeah, well, I'm glad you were able to. Yeah, well, I'm glad you were able to get your money back. You know, that would have been very unfortunate because, some people, when it comes to money, people get antsy and nervous, and it drives people crazy. So I'm glad you were able to get your money back and get that resolved, and and take it out.
Right.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us, and hope you call again soon.
All right. Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
No problem. Bye.
Bye.
So there you have it. There are a lot of glitches with their system. Just be careful where you guys are, investing your money in. Make sure you do your research. I have a little bit of money in Robinhood. I would say like about 100. Y'all can't take my money because I'm not messing around. But no, seriously. Just be careful and make sure you guys do your research. And I know when it comes to money, people panic, but try not to panic. Stay calm. Try to get answers resolved before you drive yourself crazy. But before we go, another thing that I would like to add into this series is some wine tasting. So I'm currently doing keto with my husband, so unfortunately I can't have the sweeter wines right now, but I know everyone's palate is different, so I have a very dry wine here. Do not ask me to pronounce this name. I can't. It is the Shanti, I guess that's how you pronounce it. I don't know. It was a gift to my husband during holiday season, so it smells dry. Yep, it's a dry wine. I feel like they all kind of taste the same. I will say the Merlots are very dry. That one is like so dry to the point where you would want some water afterwards. But yes, this one is a dry red wine, and it was made in 2019. But I promise you guys, I will have some fun wines on this channel, but I just wanted to introduce to you what I'm going to be doing. So let me know what you guys think about this series. Let me know what your thoughts are. I don't know, I wanted to try something different. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.